Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be unboxing my mom's Apple Watch Series 5. I'm pretty sure it's gold, 4.4mm. My Apple Watch Series 5.
Yeah, that's how long I've been using my Apple Watch Series 5 for. However, now I'm going to be upgrading to the Apple Watch Series 7, which I explained in my last video. So how has the Apple Watch Series 5 been for over 2 years that I've owned it in the 44mm GPS aluminum configuration? Should you still purchase one 4 years later? Let's get into it. To get the most controversial part of the Apple Watch Series 5 out of the way, its battery life is bad, lasting me around 1 to 2 days on one charge. However, its battery life has been consistent and is not degraded by half like on my mother's Apple Watch Series 6. However, my Apple Watch Series 5 has gotten heavily scratched in my 2 years of ownership, so its durability is not great. On the other hand, the Apple Watch Series 5 is still just as quick as it was when it was new, even with watchOS 9. However, does the Apple Watch Series 5 lack any features compared to modern Apple Watches? The answer is yes. It lacks car crash detection, a body temperature sensor, and a blood oxygen sensor. However, it does have hard fall detection on the flip side. So how much does an Apple Watch Series 5 go for in 2023? On average, they range from $130 to $180 used and cannot be purchased brand new anymore. So should you purchase an Apple Watch Series 5 in 2023? The simple answer is no, because it is simply too old to be reliable. Unless you are on a tight budget, and I mean you cannot afford anything more and can find an Apple Watch Series 5 for under $160. Otherwise, I recommend either an Apple Watch SE2, a Series 7, a Series 8 Ultra, or a Series 6 for about $160 to $200, who has a blood oxygen sensor and a faster processor than the Apple Watch Series 5. As always, thank you all for watching this video. What are your opinions on the Apple Watch Series 5? Please comment them down below. As always, I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.